Assalamu alaikum. My name is Itrat Saleem and I am doing BS in International Relations from Federal Urdu University. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating and heartwarming relationship between Pakistan and Palestine. It's a tale of solidarity, friendship, and shared values that have brought these two nations closer over the years. To understand the deep connection between Pakistan and Palestine, we need to look back in history. Both nations share a common aspiration for self determination and independence. Pakistan, after gaining independence in 1947, has always been a staunch supporter of the Palestinian cause. They have advocated for the rights and statehood of the Palestinian people, and this support goes way back. Diplomatically, Pakistan formally recognized the State of Palestine in 1988 and they established full diplomatic relations in the same year. This laid the foundation for stronger ties between these two nations. Since then, both countries have maintained embassies in each other's capitals, fostering mutual understanding. Pakistan has consistently supported Palestine in various humanitarian and financial ways. They have provided aid to Palestinian refugees and contributed to Palestinian development projects. Pakistan is also providing humanitarian and financial support to the Palestine in current situation. Pakistan's dedication to the Palestinian cause is rooted in the belief that all nations have the right to self-determination and should live in peace and prosperity. Pakistan and Palestine have worked together on international stages to advocate for Palestinian rights. Pakistan has been a voice for Palestine at the United Nations, showing unwavering support for their rights to statehood and self determination. These two nations have also cooperated on various issues, including disarmament and human rights. The bond between Pakistan and Palestine extend beyond just governments. People to people connections play a vital role in strengthening their relations. Many Pakistani citizens have shown immense empathy and support for the Palestinian people through protest, rallies, and charity work. Pakistan has welcomed Palestinian students into its educational institutions, offering them the opportunity to pursue higher education. This not only enhances cultural exchange but also deepens the ties between these two nations. In conclusion, the relationship between Pakistan and Palestine is one of unwavering support, friendship, and shared values. Pakistan has consistently stood by Palestine's side in their quest for independence, and the people of both nations have embraced their shared goals. This strong bond serves as a testament to the power of international solidarity in the pursuit of justice and freedom. That's all for today. I hope you find this video informative. Thank you for watching.